Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a toner cartridge in the Brother HL-L2350 DW Laser Printer. A brand new Brother HL-L2350 DW includes the TN730 starter cartridge and the DR730 drum unit. Today we're only going to be focusing on replacing the toner cartridge, but it's important to note here that the drum unit is a separate consumable and it generally needs to be replaced after the use of 3 or 4 toner cartridges. Cartridges are sold in a standard yield and high yield cartridge size, which offers more prints. So replacing a cartridge in this machine is easy. The first thing you want to do is open up the door to access the spent toner cartridge. Now for this printer, the cartridge is actually sitting inside the drum unit. So you need to take out the entire unit in order to remove the cartridge. It all comes out in one piece, as you can see. So let's go ahead and set the unit on a flat surface and remove the cartridge from the drum unit. Okay, so if you notice on the left hand side of the unit, there's a little green tab here. To remove the toner, you're just going to pull down on the tab and the toner will pop right out. So like we mentioned earlier, the drum unit is a separate consumable and generally only needs to be replaced after the use of 3 or 4 toner cartridges. Your printer will let you know when it's almost time to replace your drum. So we're going to go ahead and set the drum aside for now and move on to the rest of the installation process. Okay, so let's start with a brand new Brother original cartridge. So let's open it up first. Okay, we've got our brand new Brother cartridge here. We recommend opening toner cartridges over a trash can. Sometimes toner powder can escape from the cartridge during this process and things might get a bit messy. First thing you want to do is remove the orange plastic clip on the end of the cartridge. This clip protects the cartridge while it's in transit, and the cartridge won't fit into the machine if it's still attached. Before you install the toner into the printer, gently shake it back and forth a few times just to redistribute the toner powder. Now with the cartridge prepped, we're going to go ahead and insert it into the drum unit. All you have to do is just pull back on the green tab again, slide it into the drum unit so it clicks, and now it should be secured in there and go in as one unit just like we took it out. So let's open up the printer. We'll slide the entire unit back into the printer, close up the front cover, and we're ready to print. Be sure to check out our other videos for the Brother HL-L2350 DW printer. If you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop with LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We're the ink and toner experts.